Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So I will quickly introduce the activities of Securicy. So Securicy is a French company. I'm in charge of the Japanese office here that I started in 2016. Thank you to the organizer, Mathieu and Luca, and the delegation for hosting this event. So Securicy is a company focusing on security technologies for embedded systems. So our mission is to secure the devices themselves. We are not a network security company, but precisely on the devices themselves, we focus on protecting them. So we work on different types of devices, any device that embeds electronics. So it can be, you see, typical consumer electronics, smartphones, set-top boxes, computers, but also connected cars, smart meters, and so on. All the elements of the IoT will also be a big area for us. So we usually work with a device company and chipset makers. So typically in Japan, for example, Canon, Socionext, Toshiba, Sony, and so on. Well, IC design houses, also people involved in the design of components and processors. Security certification laboratories, so people giving the stamps to attest security quality, and also governmental agencies for high security military application and so on. So many markets these days, especially of course trendy ones such as IoT and automotive, especially here in Japan. So we are actually a spin-off also from a French research institute called Institut Mines Télécom in France, precisely Télécom Paris Tech within Institut Mines Télécom. And so our founders have been working in research and have been developing hardware security technologies and published more than 200 papers along the years. And they started Securicy in 2010. And from that, we've been growing quite rapidly, and now we have around 50 people in 4 countries, including here in Japan. So this is just an introduction about our founders, saying that we have 4 scientists and 1 business guy who founded together the company. At this day, we have now more than 100 customers all over the world in a broad range of applications, from smartphones to smart card, IoT, set-top box, and so on, many different types of applications. We established ourselves in 2016 here in Japan because we have scientific links actually. So during these 15 years of research, we have established strong links with the Japanese research community. And my goal is to create a regional base from Japan. I'm covering also Taiwan and Korea, and I hope to start R&D locally here. So we already have joint R&D between Europe and Japan, but not done here yet, precisely, so I hope we can do that soon. In terms of what we do, there are 3 main pillars. So I'm not going to go into all the details, but the first one is the protection business line, which basically provides security technologies that will be embedded inside the chipsets to protect them against remote cyber attacks or local attacks that aim at retrieving some secrets. The second one is security evaluation. You give me a device, I'm checking whether you have security weaknesses or not. And the last one is service and consulting, let's say, around security. There is a big lack of awareness around security, so we have to educate a lot of people by explaining them about standards, by explaining them about best practices and so on. So we do a lot of trainings, and this is a very important branch here for Japan especially. And here is our laboratory in our HQ in France. So basically, you see we have equipment that aim at disturbing systems and at finding weaknesses inside them. So here is electromagnetic injection station, here is laser station, and so on. And we have many devices that we can test. So as I was saying, a strong link with Japan. More than 20, and I think this is unusual. We have more than 20 joint publications with Japanese partners, including KDDI and also universities and research centers all over Japan. And especially we've been working also with them to standardization, worldwide standardization on security. Here are some examples of things that we are currently working on. So specifically security issue and also connected car cyber security. We are also part of joint R&D projects with Japan and in Europe. So we are part of one H2020 project called Team Play, And also we are part of the 5G Net World 2020 group. So just to sum up Secure IC, so basically we consider technology leadership as a strong competitive advantage, and actually it works pretty well in Japan in order to be recognized and for our quality to be recognized by our Japanese counterparts. The technology side, the scientific side was very important, so we continue to push for that, and we can actually take care of many issues regarding to embedded system security. So the potential collaboration that we want to set up here, and this is also why it makes sense for us to be here. We hope to start joint R&D. I'm currently looking to recruit some researchers here, either in specifically in security, with security background or AI background, because we are working on the future of security, including how to make security policy decision based on AI. So you would gather some information about attacks that are ongoing on a system, and based on this, the hardware will be automatically deciding what will be its next move. And we are also interested in co-hosting PhD students here. And last, so we are a company coming from here, Brittany in France, which is the best area in France. And interestingly enough, it's also the Center for Cybersecurity of France. So it gathers academia, researchers, military, and companies all working on cybersecurity. So it's also an interesting area to go to for this map. Thank you.